folks, this is Adam from 911 Studios, and we've got a tremendous video for you. This is one of the most exciting products that I've had the opportunity to show you in quite a while. Look at this badass Donner guitar. The perfect mahogany styling, the aged wood, the design is damn near perfect. This is a beginner's guitar, and I am indeed a beginner. I know you were thinking, but Adam, I didn't know you played guitar. Well, I really just played 2 or 3 songs now, thanks to YouTube. Yeah, that's right. If you're interested in learning to play guitar, let's see if I can show this on screen while I talk. If you're interested in learning to play guitar, well, this is the one for you. Now, I don't like to give exact prices, but this thing registers in at under $150, well below $150, which is tremendous for the quality styling guitar that we're dealing with here. Let's see if I can get this up close and on screen. Let's get a thumbnail. So go ahead and click the link below, get your own guitar, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it. Now, first off, you know, every guy wants to play guitar. They wanna pick up a guitar at the campfire and play Stairway. They want to play Wild Thing by the Trogs. They want to be able to jam out. And this is the guitar that can set you apart and let you do that, okay? Now here's the thing. There are 1,000 people on YouTube trying to teach you how to play guitar. I found Campfire Guitar Star. It's a great YouTuber. Here's the thing. 3 chords. You need to know 3 chords, and you can play Wild Thing by the Trogs. 3 positions for your hands, and guess what? There's a little shortcut thing right here that shows you all the different chords. 3 chords, and you could be playing a song.